Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how can we change all the fonts, all the text fonts into one that you want. So you see, for each of the cases where we did the customization for any style, we change the font. Okay, so it would be great if we can change all the fonts at one go. You see, in this one, I did not customize, so it's still the default font. Even in the cross sections, I haven't customized the font, so it's still default one. Okay, so how can change all the fonts? So these fonts normally are default standard. Okay, so what if we can change the standard font to something standard style to something else? Okay, the font in the standard style to something that we want. Okay, so hit the arrow button here in this pane, and then that will pop up an option. And here you see the what the font name is. Okay, so you just click on the drop down, and for this case, I want to find Arial font. So I just click on A on my keyboard, and here, okay, Arial, and the display is here. So I just say apply, and then all the fonts you see right now, it's different font. Okay, earlier one, probably it was simplex or whatever, and we close it and all the fonts will change, okay, to Arial. Just wait. Okay, you see now all the fonts has been changed to the cross sections. You see the table, even here we have all the fonts changed. That's cool, right? Pretty great. Hmm. So that's all for this video, guys. Hope you find this video helpful. So like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.